Welcome back to my channel. In interviews, you are often asked a very common question. Where do you see yourself in next 5 years? The subconscious mind wants to answer it like this, but you can't. This question, where do you see yourself in next 5 years, is quite a deep introspecting question. You literally need to align your past, present and future studies together. Here we will be seeing the strategy to effectively answer this question. Now, for answering this question, you just can't directly say, I want to be this, a consultant, data scientist, etc. No, you need to answer it structurally. Break down the answer in years. Starting with the short term goals, that is 1 to 2 years, which is building skills and gaining experience. Under this point, you can emphasize learning and skill building through your studies and gaining exposure through internships. Next is the midterm goals, that is 3 to 4 years, applying knowledge and specialization. Under this point, you can explain that you would like to take up a position in your specific field and gain corporate experience and learn further about the position. Next is long-term vision, that is 5 years and beyond, that is leadership and strategy. Under this point, you can explain that you would like to take up a leadership role or a senior position in the firm and drive an impact in the field. So this is how you can break your answer in different years. Now let's use this format in framing the answer for different fields. Starting up with the finance field. So starting with a short-term goal, in the next couple of years, I aim to build a strong foundation in financial analysis and risk management through my postgraduate studies. I plan to complement my learning with internship and certifications to gain practical exposure. Then for the midterm goal, by my 3rd or 4th year, I see myself working in a dynamic finance role and I want to apply my knowledge to real-world financial decision making or advising businesses on financial strategies. Then for 5 years and beyond, by the 5th year, I aspire to be in a strategic finance role and my ultimate goal is to drive financial growth and risk optimization for organizations while continuously evolving with emerging trends like fintech, AI in finance and sustainable investing. This will also give a long-term vision to your goals. Second is marketing. Starting with a short-term goal, in the next 2 years, I aim to deepen my knowledge of marketing analytics, consumer behavior, and I plan to enhance my skill in tools like Google Analytics, SEO, while gaining some practical exposure through internship, live projects, and industry collaborations. And for the midterm goals, by my 3rd or 4th year, I see myself working as a digital marketing strategist or a brand manager, and I want to contribute to data-driven marketing campaigns, consumer engagement strategies, and brand growth while staying updated with evolving marketing trends like AI in marketing, influencer collaborations, and omni-channel strategies. And for 5 years and beyond, by the 5th year, I aspire to be in a senior marketing role, such as a marketing manager, and contribute to brand positioning and revenue growth. And my long-term goal is to lead marketing innovations, leverage emerging technologies, and shape consumer experiences at a strategic level. So this will help you give a holistic view of your future plans. So now next is the analytics field. So starting with a short-term goal, in the next couple of years, I see myself developing a strong foundation in business analytics by mastering data analysis tools like Python, SQL, and Power BI. I plan to gain hands-on experience through internships, projects, and case studies and apply these in solving the business problems. And then for the midterm goal, by my 3rd or 4th year, I aim to be working as a business analyst or data analyst in industries like finance, e-commerce, or consulting. I want to specialize in areas like predictive analytics, market research, and help organizations optimize their decision making and improve business performance. And for the 5 years and beyond, by the 5th year, I aspire to be in a strategic role such as a senior business analyst or analytics consultant. And my goal is to leverage business analytics to improve efficiency, profitability, and customer experience while continuously upgrading my skills in emerging technologies like AI-driven analytics. I hope you have got an idea how to frame the answers. You can also check the description box for other field answers like HR, operations, and data science. So do check it now. Now at last, some tips for impressive answers is always show your passion in whichever field it is. Be specific, keep it adaptable, that you will evolve with the emerging changes or trends, and program strength. Specify the strengths or some internships or certification specific learnings that you have gained in that field. This will create a great impression on the interviewer.